Hi, so right now it's a tornado watch, I think, and yeah, it's really humid out, and yeah, so I'm watching TV. I hope a tornado doesn't come. One hasn't come for like a while. It's been like 4 years since one's come, so I hope it's not today. Yeah, and so it's April right now, and usually we don't get tornadoes until June. Yeah, usually it's June. And so this is really weird because this normally never happens. So I hope there's no tornado. So I haven't made video in a while, and I figured I guess I should do that now. And so I hope that you guys don't get affected by any of the tornadoes. And
Take a look at this tornado that dropped just south of Mounds Ridge last night. Residents report that
hope that doesn't happen to us. But so yeah, I haven't made a video in a while. So yeah. Bye.